London. The euro slid back under US $1.18 for the first time in a month on Tuesday, September 26, as investors worried about the difficulties Angela Merkel will have putting together a government coalition in Germany and the implications for Europe. The lower euro helped European stocks hold their ground and brush off a drop in Tokyo as US-North Korea tensions flared once more. Frankfurt's DAX 30 index and the Paris CAC 40 ended the day with marginal gains of under 0.1%. London slid 0.2%. Wall Street stocks were flat heading towards midday. Political uncertainty after the German election has sent the euro tumbling to a volume inflow against the dollar, said market analyst Jasper Lawler at London Capital Group. On Sunday, Merkel won a fourth term as chancellor, but a hard-right opposition party gained parliamentary seats for the first time. The impact of rising nationalism and a possible coalition between Merkel's CDU-CSU with the Liberal Party is already seemingly affecting German policy, said Lawler, pointing to a series of official statements opposing elements of French President Emmanuel Macron's speech pushing for greater European integration. We view the long-term viability of the euro as hinged on EU fiscal integration, he added. However, Craig Earlham, senior market analyst at currency trading platform Onda, sees the sell-off as booking profits from the recent run-up in the value of the euro. Rather than being a source of negativity for the euro, I think traders are seeing the election as an opportunity to lock in some profits, which is triggering a small but arguably necessary correction, he said in a note to clients. Also in focus on Tuesday for Germany and France was the maker of TGV trains, Alstom, set to announce a merger with industrial leader Siemens in a giant and politically tricky deal that would create a new European champion. The board of partly Stata-controlled Alstom, the manufacturer of French high-speed trains which are a source of national pride, was set to meet on Tuesday to discuss the TUP with its German competitor. Alstom shares rose 0.6% to close at €33.64 in Paris, while Siemens shares dipped 0.1% to €116.55 in Frankfurt. Asia beats retreat. Asian stock markets mostly retreated, while Huan assets such as gold and the yen won support after Pyongyang accused U.S. President Donald Trump of declaring war on the country and warned it could shoot down U.S. bombers. The yen later gave up those gains, as did gold. The dollar held its ground following conflicting comments from top Federal Reserve officials over the timing of the bank's next rise for U.S. interest rates. Oil prices meanwhile retreated following Monday's surge. The rally had come after Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan threatened to block key crude exports from Iraq's Kurdish region, which is holding an independence referendum. Brent jumped nearly 4% to its highest level since July 2015, while U.S. benchmark West Texas Intermediate piled on 3% on Monday. Brent crude oil and WTI have been hit by profit-taking, said market analyst David Madden at CMC Markets in London. The energy market has been strong lately, and dealers took the opportunity to lock in some profits. Key figures around 15:30 London FTSE 100 down 0.2% at 7,285.74 points close. Frankfurt DAX 30 up 0.08% at 12,605.20 close. Paris CAC 40 up 0.03% 5,268.76 close. Euro Stoxx 50 down 0.2% at 3,532.16. New York Dow flat at 22,295.67.